I will compare the new iPhone 15 Pro Max with Motorola Moto G84. iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 6.7 inches LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display and success ratio 19:5:9. Motorola Moto G84 comes with 6.5 inches POLED display and success ratio 20:9. iPhone 15 Pro Max run on the iOS 17 operating system. Motorola Moto G84 run on the Android 13 operating system. iPhone 15 Pro Max it comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB internal storage, Apple 17 Pro processor and Apple graphic GPU. Motorola Moto G84 comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor and GPU Adreno 619. iPhone 15 Pro Max real set triple camera setup 48MP plus 12MP plus 12MP and front camera 12MP. Motorola Moto G84 real set dual camera setup 50MP plus 8MP plus 16MP and front camera 16MP. iPhone 15 Pro Max 4422 mAh battery, 33W fast charging support. Motorola Moto G84 5000 mAh battery, 30W fast charging support.